king of the kings, Shah Rukh Khan!
ये जो आईफा का शो होता है ये बहुत लंबा होता है, 7-8 घंटे चलेगा।
Hello everyone, today is the 28th of September 2024 and I'm in Yas Islands, Abu Dhabi. And can you believe it, I travelled all the way here just to see Shah Rukh Khan at the IFA Awards. I have been waiting to see him since my childhood and he is finally here. He is my forever favorite, my forever Badshah, King Khan, SRK. I'm super excited and I can't wait until I see him. The happiness is just overload.
Next IFA Awards 2024, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi, co-presented by Shobha Realty.
Here I bring you some highlights of SRK and the IFA Awards, capturing the magic of the moment. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Are you ready for next IFA Awards 2024? We would like to thank our partners, Yas Island, Experience Partner, Kalak FM, UAE Media Partners. Ladies and gentlemen, the song has ended, but the melody lingers on. Only if you give us energy. How many of you want to see King Khan live? We can hear you. How many of you want to see Shah Rukh Khan? Now tell me, how many of
Salam Abu Dhabi! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very warm welcome to all of you Are you ready for the greatest celebration of films, the IFA Festival? A festival of lights, camera, action and recognition. Welcome Alan Wasalan to the Nexa IFA Awards 2024 Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. Co-presented by Shobha Realty, co-powered by Mysore and Signature. पठान से याद आया, रात अभी जवान है और अगर हम शाहों के शाह की जमीन पर आए हैं तो फिर एक बादशाह का जिक्र करना ही पड़ेगा। झूमने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्रेजेंटिंग द वन, द ओनली बादशाह।
I know. हैरान होना तो बनता ही है थोड़ा सा। एक्चुअली सच ये है कि मैं बादशाह बना इस बादशाह की वजह से। मैं शायद आदित्य ही रहता, लेकिन इस बादशाह ने मुझे इतना इंस्पायर किया कि मुझे स्टेज से प्यार हो गया। मैं हूं क्योंकि ये है, और जिसकी वजह से एहसास है, मोहब्बत है, प्यार है, और मेरे जैसे बच्चे सपने देखते हैं, उसके लिए मेरी आज की ये परफॉर्मेंस है। Are you ready, Abu Dhabi?
Yes. Let's go. Ready? Yes. Who's back? दिल्ली में पैदा हुआ दुनिया पे रूल करे, मेरे जैसे लव के एम्बिशन को फ्यूल करे, खुराफाती करामाती रखता दिमाग, वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे लगा के रखे आग। वो कभी है पठान, कभी है जुबान, कभी वो है राहुल, कभी है वो राज। दिल से कहूँ तो बॉलीवुड का वो बाजीगर, लोग भले बादशाह, सर पे है ताज। यार वो नहीं है thing ही है राजा। Fuck what you think? I'm the really rap cool, better than a blame. Y'all already know it's the return of the king.
मुल्कों की पुलिस से ज्यादा इन्हें आबू धाबी चाहता है। हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं, पर प्यार इन्हें देखकर बार बार होता है। आज सबसे बड़ा सितारा आईफा के आसमान से आबू धाबी की जमीन पर 10 साल बाद उतरने वाला है। आबू धाबी, प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द वन एंड ओनली, the first of his name, the ruler of hearts, the conqueror of box office, the king of the kings, Shah Rukh Khan!
Thank you very much Abu Dhabi. Lots of love to everybody here. Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, good evening. Welcome to Nexa IFA 2024 Yas Islands, Abu Dhabi, co-presented by Shobha Realities, co-powered by Mysore and Signature Finest Cardamom Seeds. और जिनकी वजह से हम यहाँ पर हैं, पहले मैं उनका धन्यवाद कर दूँ. Thank you very much. All the people involved in the cultural and the entertainment aspect of Abu Dhabi for having us here, and especially the beautiful Bollywood के लिए. ये जो आईफा का शो होता है, ये बहुत लंबा होता है. 7-8 घंटे चलेगा. मैं यहीं पर रहूंगा. आप लोग तंग आ जाएंगे मुझसे, तो आराम आराम से चिल्लाना जारी रखिए. 2023 was the year of parenting. माँ बाप, भाई बहन, बच्चे नाते. बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात कर. एक फिल्म आई, Parented Films, which started last year. The production was today. Let's all put our hands together and wish Ranveer and Deepika for becoming new parents. लोग अच्छी बातें करेंगे.
पहले मैं आपको वेलकम करता हूं भाई. Truly welcome. Welcome back to IFA after 10 years. आप बताइए कैसे संभाला मैंने होस्टिंग? कैसे?
बिल्कुल तूने वैसे ही संभाली जैसे एक आलीशान इमारत को वॉचमैन संभालता है जब मालिक घर पे नहीं होता. You are a fantastic host, only when I am not hosting. So ladies and gentlemen, this was Karan Johar, this is Karan Johar, and he is going now. Thank you very much. We'll see you next year.
अरे प्लीज. मैं 10 साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ भाई. इनफैक्ट मैं तो आपके जैसे डायलॉग्स भी बोलने लगा हूँ.
टाइगर के घर पे या दूसरा बना था, कभी उसके घर पे क्यों नहीं होती? मम्मी नहीं अलाउ करती क्या? एक्चुअली मैं दूसरे किस्म का लेजेंड थे. मैं और धोनी एक किस्म के लेजेंड है. नाना करके भी 10 बार IPL खेल जाते हैं.
Retirement is for legends, kings are forever.
Give it a rest. तुम दोनों बहुत ही बुरे हो, इक्वली बुरे हो. लेकिन मुझे काम चलाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये फंक्शन जो है बहुत लंबा है, तो तुम्हारी मदद की मुझे जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो तुम मेरे करण, मेरे विकेट, तुम मेरे साथ रहो. लेकिन 2-4 रूल्स हैं होस्टिंग के, वो फॉलो करना. पहला, गंदे पंस नहीं करना. माइका, होस्टेज, ऐसे पंस नहीं करना, ठीक है? और छिछोरा जो कोई भी नहीं करेगा सिवाय मेरे. ओ क्या गाना फॉर अबू धाबी. छिछोरापन नहीं करोगे, गाना भी पूरा नहीं करोगे. ऑलराइट? भाई चमचागिरी करने से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. और मैं डांस भी नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि अब जो डांस करने आ रहे हैं वो हम सबसे ज्यादा बेहतर डांस करते हैं. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स लाइव एंड इन फिल्म्स, अ ग्रेट एक्टर. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द एवर फैबुलस, द वन एंड ओनली शाहिद कपूर.
क्या बोलेगा? Oh my God.
मैं शाहरुख खान हूँ, मैं 3 गुना लगान दे सकता हूँ, मांग नहीं सकता। क्रिकेट की बात कर रहा, मैं क्यों खेलूंगा? खेले मेरे दुश्मन है, बस 4 क्रिकेट की टीम में, वो खेलती है ना जाकर यार। तो सर अच्छा लगान छोड़ो, धोनी कर लेते सर। क्या आपको के पट्टे मजे नहीं आ रहे, अटक गया मैं यहाँ पे। सर वैसे लिरिक्स का भी यही कमाल होता है कि अटक जाते हैं। हाँ यार, लिरिक्स चाहे समझ आए ना आए, बट फील आ जाता है यार। And ladies and gentlemen, that's why we're going to move to the next award, and the category is the best lyrics, and the nominees are
Siddharth Karima from Animal for Satranga, Shwanam Kirkare from 12th Fail for Bolona, Amitabh Bhattacharya from Zara Hatke Zara Bachke.
मैं समंदर परिंदा है ये इश्क रे, मन मातम और जिंदा है ये इश्क रे। Love you, thank you.
Thank you, Aifa. And Sadhu sir, it's a very emotional moment for me. Yeah, I dedicate this award to my father and my godfather Sandeep sir. Because of him, I am standing here. And thank you.
और एक बात मैं तुझे बता देता हूँ, ऐसी पिक्चरें कभी मत करना जिसके टाइटल में ही उनकी कहानी हो। हैरी, जिनके टाइटल में ही उनकी कहानी हो। हैरी मेट सेजल, पिक्चर खत्म। बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, पिक्चर खत्म। द ग्रेट इंडियन फैमिली, पिक्चर खत्म। अब सीख रहा है तू। Just 2 minutes, I think he's backstage. He should be here in a minute, hopefully. Can somebody tell us?
Shaba, I just want to say till he comes. I remember. Sorry, yeah, 2 kursiyan milegi yahan pe please. I remember when I did Satya with you. I was a newcomer, big fanboy. Then, now.
Thank you.
Very difficult scene. First time I meet the legend himself, and I'm supposed to get aggressive, take him on, threaten him about Sohani. And this man, I was so nervous. He's not just the king on screen, he's the king of hearts off screen. He gave me a hug, calmed me down. Bhai, so many people have fame and power, but what's special about you is that you use your power to empower. And that makes you not just the King Khan, but the King of Grace. Love you, Dilson.
अभी तूने थोड़ा और बोला ना तो अवार्ड में ले लूँगा ये।
Ditto.
Okay, guys, we've come to know that मेरे साथ डंकी के अंदर भी इंटरवल मार दिया उसको हमने। So I sacrificed and gave you that film.
Wow.
Thank you, sir. सच में सर पहले आप ही ऑफर
नहीं यार, मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं भाई। Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, many of may not know, he knows, lots of my friends in the industry know, that Vicky is my favorite actors and co-actors to work with. One of the most wonderful actors. Nobody could have done Sam Bahadur better than him. लेकिन इसने वो गुड्डू वाली बात की ना तो मेरे दिल को भी ऐसा लग गई, ठेस लग गई थोड़ी सी।
Sorry sir, I take my words back.
And just to make up for it, तुझे मैं अपनी तरफ से अवार्ड देना चाहता हूँ।
What?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Actor Award to Vicky Kaushal for
Sam Bahadur.
नहीं, The Great Indian Family.
Thank you sir. मैंने आज तक जो भी सीखा है शाहरुख सर से ही सीखा है। So I would also like to give you the award for the Best Actor for
Jawan.
Guddu sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next award, the award for Best Playback Singer, Female. CEO and co-founder, Ease by Trip. Big round of applause for Vicky.
कुछ नहीं मिल सकता है. This is the best. Shahrukh sir, it is so good to have you back hosting a show. This is something that I have seen, you know, even on television back in Delhi.
Abu Dhabi, thank you so much. And मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम स्टेज पे सिर्फ आ रहे हैं सबको हक करने के लिए.
शिल्पा जी, मैंने होस्टिंग इसलिए की ताकि मैं हक करता हूँ.
So, sir, thank you so much for thinking of me for this song.
God bless you.
And Bhushan sir, I know it was you. और Anirudh, we're really missing you here tonight. Kumar Paji and
हम डांस करते रहेंगे. गा के सुनाइए, हम भी डांस करते हैं आपके साथ. कम ऐसा ना सस्ते में हक वक करके नहीं जा सकते. गा के सुनाओ, कुछ काम करने वाला.
Okay, here we go. Here?
Yeah, come. आ जाओ. माइक क्या है? माइक कैसे? Oh, perfect.
This is a moment. You just set the mic for me.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
As long as I don't play the music for you or sing along with you, you're fine.
इश्क़ ख्वाब ख्वाब सा है मेरा बेहिसाब सा है तेरे लफ्ज़ चुन लूँ मैं उर्दू की किताब सा है दिलता चलेगा तेरी ओर तेरा चलेगा है जोर तेरी हुई मैं यार में बोलेगा इस संसार में चलेगा तेरी ओर तेरा चलेगा है जोर तेरी हुई मैं यार में बोलेगा इस संसार में.
Bless you. Thank you so much for taking such a sport.
मेरा हो गया. This is done.
तो यहीं पे डेट कर ले. हस्बैंड यहीं पर है. परमिशन ले लेते हैं, बाद में बात करते हैं आराम से. भाई.
Oh my God.
Love you. Thank you so much. A big round of applause. पूरा गाना नहीं करेंगे. ये लोग को ना थोड़ा सा छूट दो. छिछोरे म्यूजिक, पंच, गाना पूरा नहीं करना. नहीं करेंगे. जल्दी वो हवा नहीं करेंगे. स्पॉन्सर गाना अवार्ड. स्पॉन्सर गाना अवार्ड. जल्दी से नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर को बोला और पीछे चल मेरे साथ.
Abu Dhabi, because we love you. Everybody, a thunderous round of applause for the destination par excellence, Abu Dhabi.
जनरल नॉलेज का क्वेश्चन पूछना था कि सक्सेस और लेगेसी में क्या फर्क है? Yeah, this is a very serious question. Actually, सक्सेस तू है, लेगेसी मेरी है. It's too sweet. I keep joking with him, but truly, legacy is what you create for the ages.
Over generations.
Yeah, exactly.
और generally माँ बाप अपने बच्चों के लिए legacy छोड़ जाते हैं.
हाँ देखिए, और कभी कभी ऐसे खुशनसीब माँ बाप होते हैं जिनके बच्चे वो लेगेसी आगे बढ़ाते हैं. और ऐसे ही एक क्यूट से छोटे बच्चे हैं जिसने ना ही अपने बाप का सपना पूरा किया पर उन्हें अलग मुकाम पर ले गया. My brother, my friend, ladies and gentlemen, my partner in good times and bad too, the one and only Karan Johar.
Today, IIFA honors Karan Johar for
We just got to hear, understand and know that it's been 25 years since this young man has been making films, and he's been part of every kind of entertainment in this country, putting always the most positive foot forward, sometimes making it very big, sometimes not making it so big. But the main quality Karan has is that he doesn't break. He keeps going on and on and on, and here are prayers for inshallah that we keep on making lovely films and entertain us.
Oh my God, I wasn't expecting this. They said come to the audience to give audience reactions. I was not expecting this and sexily in that. If he hadn't put his hand on my head and really believed in me, and I don't know whether he really did it for me or I know for his love for my father, but either way I stand tall because of him. To him and to Aditya Chopra, who basically paved the way for me. And the last two, Shahrukh, I love you. Hi, I love you. I'm here. And I'm here also because of my best friend from school, Apurva Mehta. I know he's here somewhere. He's my partner in crime, drama, emotion.
I'm so glad to be back at the 2024 IIFA Awards, Abu Dhabi. And wow, what an awesome crowd tonight! It's an honor to be here tonight, not just as an actor, but as a part of the IIFA I Can Make a Difference initiative. Before I begin, I want to take a moment to acknowledge IIFA's incredible efforts over the years.
बड़े पर्दे वाली बड़ी फाइट है, आप लोग भी बड़े पर्दे पे देखें, यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो हम थोड़े से स्टूपिड लगेंगे. करेक्ट?
Correct, sir.
Go for it.
Lights, camera, action.
अब क्या करो विकी? पकड़ लो. अब
Follow.
1968 में इंडियन सिनेमा ने हमें हमारी ड्रीम गर्ल से मिलवाया। हर लड़का ड्रीम गर्ल को पाना चाहता था और हर लड़की ड्रीम गर्ल बनना चाहती थी। तो मेरे लिए ड्रीम गर्ल वो थी जिनके बिना शायद मेरा बड़े पर्दे पर आने का ड्रीम कभी पूरा नहीं होता। सिनेमा की दुनिया में मेरा पहला कदम मैंने उनके साए में रखा। शी इज द ड्रीम गर्ल who made my dreams come true, and for that I will forever be grateful to her. उन्होंने अपनी दमदार एक्टिंग परफॉर्मेंस से कभी बसंती बन के सबका दिल जीता, तो कभी सीता गीता बन के सबको दीवाना बनाया। Let's have a look at her outstanding body of work.
Thank you so much, Shahrukh, for giving a very beautiful introduction for me. I remember the time when I was one of the first one to introduce you into this beautiful film industry.
Thank you.
Now today, I'm so proud of you. Today you are a king today. But you have put me into trouble, you know that? You have put me into trouble.
Why, ma'am?
Yes. The problem is, in my constituency, Mathura, when I go there are so many boys who come to me and say, आपने शाहरुख खान को इतना बड़ा स्टार बनाया, अब मुझे भी बनाइए। मैं कहती हूँ, it's not possible, because he is high.
Thank you for all the warmth that you give our industry, and for the debut actor, the love you. And the award for the best debut actor goes to none other than Alize Agnihotri.
ये था कि वो मुझे गले लगाती है और फिर मेरे ऊपर मर जाती है। The first scene, I love you, I love you. She died on me.
Yeah. Well, how beautifully you died in that film, Ronnie. All right, and our next award. All right. Do you really think, Bhai, that you are a good dancer?
मुझे डांसर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री मेरी उंगलियों पे डांसती है।
भाई, as a member of the media, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपकी अगली फिल्म क्या है?
यार मैं अगली फिल्म बार पिक कर रहा हूँ।
वाओ, किसकी?
खुद की। तो टाइटल है किंग।
किंग? तो क्वीन कौन होगा?
तुझे आना तो आ जा।
I would like to move on, if you don't mind.
नहीं, ऐसे मूव ऑन नहीं करेंगे। तुझे खेलने का बहुत शौक है, मैं भी थोड़ी देर से खेलूंगा। मैंने सबकी बेइज्जती कर ली, मैंने अपनी बेइज्जती करा ली, तेरी बेइज्जती तो की। So Abu Dhabi, like he asked you, would you like me to ask some insulting questions or answers to Karan Johar?
Give it up for Mickey.
That you guys have. So first of all of us here, thank you for the love. Thank you guys, all of you. Thank you so much. Are you guys having fun? Because there's lots coming up still. All right. Love you guys. Thank you so much. It's amazing.
How's the night going? You guys having fun? Love you too, love you too. Love you! It feels incredible to be standing here receiving the Best Actor Award in the midst of such a warm and wonderful audience and my friends and colleagues from my fraternity for one of the most special films of my career. Receiving this award at IIFA feels even more special as it validates the fact that Mrs. Chatterjee made an impact globally in people's hearts. Mrs. Chatterjee's success reaffirms the timeless power of storytelling and the universal language of maternal love and human resilience. The story of this Indian immigrant mother shook me deeply. A mother's love for a child is unconditional, something I used to believe was a myth until I had my own. A mother's love knows no law, no pity. It dares all things and crushes anything that stands in its path.
In a leading role, male are Vikrant Messi for 12th Fail. Ranbir Kapoor for Animal. Ranveer Singh for Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी. बेटे को हाथ लगा. शाहरुख खान. Doing well, Calcutta. Vicky Kaushal for Sam Bahadur. Sunny Deol for Gadar 2.
For performance in a leading role male, I would like to invite on stage Nobutka Suzuki, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing.
Wow.
Shall we? Sorry, can we just take a moment to see, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mani Ratnam and A.R. Rahman on the stage. Like, that doesn't happen all the time. That does not happen all the time.
Okay, I picked them and saw who it is. He's a true ambassador for Indian movies. His name brings joy all over the world. Say one more. King.
you Abu Dhabi, thank you Haifa, thank you Andre, Sabas, Viraf, and to receive this award from Mani Ratnam sir and A.R. Rahman sir. It's one of the greatest moments of my life because these are two people that I work with and respect way beyond what they can ever understand. I joke with them, I talk with them, but I've learned so much filmmaking from both these legends. So thank you so much, both of you. And just want to tell you, it's good to be back. Also, I'm extremely grateful for this award. I love awards. I'm greedy about awards. But for so many years now that I've been working, I need to tell you the honest thing that Best Actor, Best Director, Best Stories, all these awards are a bit subjective. So I would like to congratulate all the people who have been nominated. Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Vikrant Massey, I think he was outstanding. My Vicky Kaushal, Sunny Paji, all of them deserve it in one way or the other. But I think I have a little happiness from the audience this year because I worked after a long time. For all the three films that I happened to do this year, the wonderful Donkey, the magnificent Pathaan, and absolutely mad Jawan. In order, I do need to thank the director of the film, Mr. Atlee, the cinematographer, Vishnu, Ruben, who edited the film, Anirudh, who did the music, and whole team that came down from Tamil Nadu to make this beautiful film. And Nayanthara ji, Vijay Sethupathi ji, Deepika Padukone, the 6 lovely girls, Sunil Grover, everybody. If I'm missing out some names, I'm sorry. But I owe this film to all of them. And this film was, I don't like talking personal things, but this film was made under stress. So I want to thank, we're all professionals, we are supposed to do our job. But I want to thank the whole team behind me, Arun, Raj, Sharina, Anjali, Khushbu, Preeti, who did the makeup, and of course Pooja. They all worked very, very hard for 2-3 years to make this film happen. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And I've been reminded, somebody has to put the money in the film. So I want to thank Gauri, the producer. She must be the only wife who's spending more money on the husband than the husband does on the wife. So I'm thankful for her. But in all seriousness, for her patience, her goodwill, her kindness. We all were going through a little bit of a tough time making Jawan. But I feel back here in Haifa, in the city of Abu Dhabi, I'm genuinely back. And I'm really, really happy to end the year like this. So thank you Haifa. Thank you all of you here. Thank you Manisa again. Thank you Rahman sir. Thank you sir. And thank you everybody who's present here, my colleagues, all the senior members who are there. And all the directors, all the producers, God bless you. Vinod to khush hai tujhe best director mila hai. And writer bhi. So God bless you. Congratulations Sandeep. Congratulations Bhushan. Congratulations Karan. To all the winners here. Winning in no way vindicates the fact that we are good enough or not good enough. It just tells us we need to just keep working harder to be here and enjoy this evening. Thank you very much here. Everyone in Abu Dhabi. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the best performance of 2023, undoubtedly, the king reclaimed his throne. All right, हम हिंदुस्तानियों की
Thank you guys. Khuda Hafiz.
Thank you, good night.